In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code emails in Outlook. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to organize your inbox in a way that makes it far easier for you to manage your messages. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Outlook interface where you have all your emails displayed. Outlook offers a wide range of tools to help you keep your inbox tidy, and color coding is one of the most effective ways to visually organize your emails. To begin with the color coding process, you'll want to focus your attention on the category option. When you click on this, you're diving into a world of organizational potential. This is where you can bring different hues and shades into your emails for an effortless categorization based on your needs or preferences. If you're starting from scratch with color coding, you'll want to click on Create New. This will prompt you to choose a color for a new category. You might want to designate red for urgent emails, green for personal messages, or blue for work-related content. The choice is entirely up to you and can be tailored to match your individual organizational style. Once you've created a new category, you can now apply it to specific emails that fit the criteria of that category. This step is crucial because it helps your inbox transformation take shape. With each relevant email, simply right-click, assign the category, and watch your inbox take on a more visually organized look. If you've already set up some categories but find that your needs have changed or you want to make some tweaks, there's no need to worry. Outlook offers a simple method to manage your existing categories. To access this feature, click on Manage. From here, you can edit the names, change colors, or even delete categories that no longer serve a purpose, giving you the flexibility to adjust as you evolve. By dedicating a bit of time to initially set up these categories and color coding your emails, you've established a system that supports your unique workflow. It not only makes your inbox more pleasant to look at, but also significantly increases your productivity by allowing you to prioritize tasks at a glance. In conclusion, by clicking on Category, creating new segments, and managing existing ones, you can effectively color code your Outlook emails and streamline your communication. Developing these habits will save you time, minimize potential overwhelm, and keep you focused on what truly matters. Enjoy experimenting with different colors to find what suits your email management style the best. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of your digital tools.